Finding a specific UE5 asset can be really time-consuming, especially when you don't remember the asset name. Luckily, there are a few solutions, and today I will introduce you to one of them, the free content browser of Dash. In the Dash content browser, under the Project Library tab, I can see my asset folders, and with one click, I can assign tags to the assets to make them easily searchable and accessible. I select the folder where my assets are stored in the folder tree on the left side. Then I click on the Compute button to start the process, which may take a few minutes. After a short while, all my assets are available, searchable, and ready to be easily dropped into the scene. By right-clicking, several options appear, allowing me to view asset properties such as physical size, triangle count, and Dash-generated tags, which make it easy to search for specific assets. Let's check some more asset tags. As you can see, all of them have tags based on their properties, which makes them very easy to search for. For example, let's search for something simple. I type in books. But I can search for more than just names. I can also filter by asset types. Let's type in blueprints. When searching for food, all assets tagged with this term appear, even if the word is not part of the file name. You can also refine your search using the plus and minus operators. For example, searching for food plus kitchen will display all the assets tagged with food, while also including those tagged with kitchen. As we can see, some materials also appeared in the result. To exclude them, I type in minus material. With the free Dash content browser, setting up scenes is effortless, like this dining table setup. I can even search for colors. By typing in orange, the content browser finds all assets that match this color. Managing and using your UE5 assets has never been easier. And remember, you can download the Dash content browser for free and use it for all your future projects. If you have any feedback or suggestions for us, make sure to let us know down in the comments. Thank you for watching, see you in the next one.